Okay, guys, I'll start with the introduction. My name is Gurjeet Baring. I love wine and I love to talk about it. Okay, in simple English, sommelier is a person who serves wine. Okay, but in actual, sommelier does a lot more than just doing the service of wine. So before we start the session today, I'll tell you all about the session a little bit later. But we'll start with an introduction. So we'll do it in a fun way. So I'll tell you my name, who I am, what I do for a living, and then I'll tell you something exciting about me, something wild thing I have done, something exciting I have done, and I'm sure that nobody else has done the same thing in this room. Okay, you can't challenge it, you can't break it. I've done something new. So to set an example, my name is Gurjeet. I'm a sommelier by profession, and what do you think I have done? I have been into a submarine on the British Virgin Island of Tortola, 100 meters below sea level, and I have a certificate to prove that. So we'll start with the ladies first. Please just tell me your name briefly. We'll spend not more than 15 minutes, I assure you. Just we get to know a little bit about each other. So please start.
My name is Sheena. I'm from
Sheena.
Sheena.
Okay, hi.
I'm basically from Chandigarh.
Okay.
My name is Seema Karthik and I'm from Uttarakhand.
Okay, hi Seema. Like to share with us something?
Not space now, please.
Okay, that's okay. Please have a seat.
I'm from Indore.
What's your name? Himani. Himani. Hi Himani.
I'm from Indore, Madhya Pradesh.
Okay.
I think I've done riding a bike when I don't know how to ride it properly or at the speed of I think 80.
And you survived to tell the story.
No, I broke my leg, but then too I was happy.
Because you drove a bike.
Yes.
Respect. Cool. Guys. If somebody goes up, maybe we should do this introduction round, after we have had the wine. We will open it better.
My name is Sharandeep. I'm from Gujarat. I am an engineer with a gold medal. And
Wow, you're an engineer with a gold medal.
that's why I'm certified food technologist. Then
Okay.
I travel also. I guess it might be the first time. I don't know.
Today I'm going to lose it, sir.
I just tested something. I don't testing.
We'll come to that one. Sharanjeet, right?
Sharanjeet.
Sharanjeet, okay. That's a very nice name, I like it. Some of you may not like alcohol, may not want to drink it. I'll suggest you, put it in your mouth, roll it around your palate and then spit it out. I'll get some spittoons, some buckets for you, spit it out. Don't take it inside if you don't want it for any reason. I respect that. So don't do that, okay? So if you are really excited, as I am, welcome.
I will test it through people like
Yes. No, I can understand from where you're coming from. So you're doing MBA, right?
Yeah, I'm in
MBA in hospitality. Wow, good. Something that you would like to share with us, your experience with food technology, something you're saying, making a eureka at home.
No,
No?
not like that. The gold medal.
You made your food bombs or something like that? No?
The gold medal that I got is the only biggest thing I got in the last 4 years of engineering. And that's why I was topping the curriculum, then
Yes.
also non-curriculum in the activity that I had.
Yes.
In various states and state players.
Wow, we have a stage actor here. Okay. Remind you, using role plays, we'll invite our actor friend here. Please, thank you.
I'm Tony.
Moni. Hi, Moni. Adventure game. Good. Please have a seat.
My name is Maurice and I'm from Manipur.
Hi, Moni.
I love hiking and trekking.
Okay. Something you have done that you want to share with us? Some unusual incident that...
So I was born to you.
How high was it?
It's almost 15 feet.
15 feet. Wow. And how old were you that time? How many years back did it
When I
happen?
was in first 9.
Class 9. Wow. I remember the fall, I was in my, I think, not even in my kindergarten. I was a little older than that, I think, because I remember faintly. I was a little kid and I was playing in children's park. You're from Delhi, you might remember children's park here. You have it's like a swing, not swing exactly, shaped like a rocket. So kids basically climb up. So I climbed up, but I didn't realize that till the point I climbed that I'm scared of heights. When I was a kid, I was scared of heights, but now not anymore. So I was scared of heights. So me and my brother both climbed, and he was a little fit guy and I was a little fiddly one. So he climbed up and he climbed down back. But I couldn't climb back, climb it down, because I was scared to come down. I didn't know what to do. I was like frozen there. So my dad encouraged me, you should jump. And there was no way I jumped. When I'm a little boy, how will I jump? But your dad encouraged me, jump, I'll catch you, this, that, jump. So what will you do? You trust, okay? My father standing there and he catch me. So I jumped. I jumped and I fell in basically mud and so I remember that fall. Good, please. Thanks. Okay.
Good morning, volunteers. Good morning, and my name is Manju Shardiya, and I am seeking care to the better service. So I know these people are very scared of me. That is why I started.
Now I know what I was thinking. It's the same. Jesus Christ.
I'm very thankful to you that you are having this session with them, because this is moreover they are.
You should be thankful to Mr. Singh actually, because
I am always thankful to
his efforts that I'm here. Otherwise, it's very difficult. I'll tell you the story, who we are, what we do, and maybe you understand why I'm here.
And to students as well, I think this is the best opportunity that you people are getting, and you should get maximum out of him. Ask questions, whatever doubts you have, because it will help you with lifetime, throughout your life. All the best.
Thank you, ma'am. Would you like to share something that you have done?
I've done so many things, so it's very interesting to study.
We'll catch up later, I promise you after that, but okay, fine. Okay.
I'm here working as a lecturer for different research.
Oh wow, I need to watch it for these people, guys. Okay, something you have done that let me share with us today? We'll catch up. Sir.
Morning everybody, my name is Jay. I'm the faculty over here for the housekeeping and facility planning. And adventure saying about I'm handling hostels. It's a good adventure. Every day is fun.
I know hostel warden's duty is respect. How you manage these kids, especially the young ones. Respect to you, seriously. Let me share with you why I'm here, what we're going to do today. I belong to a small company. The company's name is Why Not? Why not? As in we have tried others, so try us, and come. Yeah, why not? Come on. So there we are. We're here. So Why Not is a small company. Is headed by India's first and the only French certified sommelier. His name is Magandeep Singh. He has a TV show on NDTV Good Times TV channel. It's called Around the World in 85 Plates. If any of you have seen it, it's a bald guy. Yeah, very captivating. That's the one. Okay, me and Magan, we started this company 4.5 years ago, and then we are now 15 of us. We basically help hotels and restaurants, food and wine menu engineering, training the staff on wine, educating, doing consumer events, corporate events, things like this basically, But because we do beverage animation, wine is our forte. So when I was in college like you are right now, I am from Arjun, and I didn't have the luxury of anybody coming to my college and teaching me about wine. Okay, that's a different story that I got myself into wine. I got myself into wine reason being I realized at a very early part of my career that I'm nothing more than a pair of hands basically. Okay, I'm not supposed to use my head because there are people who are paid to use their head. And I'm only paid to use my hand. I'm a labor basically. And a person who has a tea stall, maybe he makes more money than I do. There's something wrong, isn't there? Because somebody told me that you can teach a monkey to serve, right? I'm better than a monkey, not that. So there's something that I have to improvise, there's something that I need to work on. So a word which you commonly hear is called a specialist, right? A specialist is a person who's supposed to know about it. So I learned and I learned about wine. Wine was something which used to excite me, not the drinking part of it, that's the luxury, but the reading part of it. It used to fascinate me. You know what's the difference between a beer, whiskey, vodka, and brandy? What's the difference? So I learned about wine when I went to London, and I studied for 5 years in the London Wine School, and I worked there. So I learned about wine, and then I wanted to come back to the country. There was nothing exciting, so we started this company together, and this is called Why Not Business Solutions. We are going to do the TV show with TLC shortly, so you'll see us there. So do give us a hi, although we can't see you, but we're pretty good. And that's what we do. So the idea here is not to promote alcohol, not to talk about anything else, but just share the knowledge. You know, I'll learn from you, and if I have something to contribute, well, observe and see if you can absorb it. That's all the idea is. There's a set plan for the day that we'll try to cover up really fast. And if I'm going too fast, you tell me. Okay, if you want me to slow down, you all are grown-up people. Hi, please. Hi. Please, sir, how are you? I would like you to introduce you to TLC. Yeah, it's on TLC. It should be on TLC soon. We're also doing something with a web portal. So, you know, basically a YouTube video. They're not YouTube, it's on a special site. You go and learn about wine there as well. So the idea is not to promote alcohol, but it's a set criteria that we'll follow and share with you the plan of the day. And drink loads of good wine. Taste basically, not drink. Taste lots of good wine. So you get a fair amount of idea of, you know, कहाँ से आती है, कैसे बनती है, क्या होता है, कैसे ब्रांडिंग होती है. But all of you are from second year, right? You have studied about wine. You have a basic understanding of wine. You know that? Some of you. Okay. What we'll do is, for the ease of understanding, we'll start from the start.